3 American soldiers hurried to sing loudly and pretended to be the last crazy officer before they died. Let the armed men hear the singing and dance involuntarily. The 2 American soldiers continued to sing loudly. Hanbin picked up the knife and picked up the iron window railing of the prison. But as soon as he picked up a railing, the sound of the alarm rang in the base of the armed men. The American army thought it was an escape and was discovered by the armed men. In fact, it was the American warplanes that came to bomb. The base of the armed men was bombed into a fire. The American army was about to die in the hands of its own people. 5 American soldiers thought they were going to be bombed to death. Unexpectedly, there was no way out. The prison guards were bombed to death. The key fell in front of the prison. Hanbin hurried to hook the key with a dog tag, but he failed several times. Unexpectedly, a missile exploded outside the prison wall, directly blow up the wall of the prison. The American army hurried to kick down the wall and grabbed a truck full of armed men, then hit the railing and successfully escaped. But the car just drove 2 kilometers. The truck ran out of fuel and exploded on the road. The American army could only throw out a knife and gold watch, buy a piece of dead camels from the locals,